सम्यज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Hare Krishna. So we want to talk about Bhagavan Lord Nrsimhadev. That is described in Srimad Bhagavatam 7th canto. There are 15 chapters in Srimad Bhagavatam 7th canto. And in Srimad Bhagavatam, all the knowledge is described. 10 types of knowledge are there. So in 7th canto, it is Uttaya. Uttaya means karma vasana, desire for gratification or fruitive activities. So the Srimad Bhagavatam 7th canto starts with the first verse. That is by a question by Parikshit Maharaj. The Samha Priya Srut Brahman Bhutanam Bhagavan Swayam Indrasyarte Katham Daityan Avadhit Vitsamodatha. In the 6th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, it is described how the Lord sided with demigods to kill demons. So when Parikshit Maharaj heard this, so his question started from 7th canto, first chapter, first verse, that he is equal to all, Samha, Priya Srut. He is not only equal, but also very dear to all, and also very Srut, very friendly. Samha, Priya Srut Brahman. Bhutana Bhagavan Shem, all the living entities, not only human beings, but all the living entities, that 84 lakhs kinds of living entities are there. So he is equal, he is very dear, he is also very friendly to all the living entities. But how come that he sided with the demigods to kill the demons? How is it? So in his purport, Vishwanath Chakravarti says, the Samasya Patham Vaishamyam, as he is equal, how he becomes unequal? Samasya Patham Vaishamyam. Priyasya Patham Asuresu Priti Abhava. He is dear to all, but how he is acting as if he is not dear to the demons. And also Sudasya Katham Tesu Asarudasya. He is friendly, and how he is unfriendly to the demons. So this question, when Parikshit Maharaj asked to Sukadeva Goswami just quoted the same question asked by Yudhishthira Maharaj. Once Yudhishthira Maharaj, while he was in Khandaprastha, he arranged a Rajasya Yajna, fire sacrifice, and there all the kings, all the demigods, everyone, all of them were present. And just recently, Bhima killed Jarasandha, and Jarasandha imprisoned 20,800 kings of different kingdoms, and they were also released, and they also visited this place now. So in this way, there was a huge gathering. There, when Rajasya Yajna started, so the first point is who is to be worshipped first, Agra Pujya, who is to be worshipped first. So Sahadeva, he suggested that Lord Krishna is the worshipable, he is the topmost worshipable person. And Bhishmadeva also supported this point. And all other kings also agreed. But when Yudhishthira Maharaj started worshipping Lord Krishna in the beginning, so it was objected by Shishupala. Shishupala, he is cousin to Lord Krishna. So all the kings were present there couldn't tolerate such criticism by Shishupala. It is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam that when the Lord's criticism is going on, or Lord's devotees' criticism is going on, one should not stay there. If one has power, he should kill that person. Or at least he should cut off his tongue. Or he should leave that place. So the kings present there, they were unable to tolerate these points. But the Lord said, just wait. Because Krishna had promised Shishupal's mother, who happens to be his father's brother, his father's sister, that he will tolerate 100 criticism of Shishupal. Then when the criticism tossed 100, and thereafter Krishna sent his chakra, disc, Sudarsana chakra, and his head was cut off. So all of them present, they saw that one ray came from that body of that Shishupal and entered into that of Krishna. Yudhishthira Maharaj was very much astonished. How is it that such a person who was criticizing from the very beginning of his life, at least there should be kushta, leprosy in his tongue. How is it that he got this liberation? Sadhuja Mukti, that is called Sadhuja Mukti. Because he knows, Yudhishthira Maharaj knows that there was a king, his name was Bena. He descended in the dynasty of Dhruva. But he was, by criticizing the Lord, he was going to heaven, hell. But somehow or other he was saved by his son, Prithu Maharaj. And how is it that he got this liberation, Sadhuja Mukti?